In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 Plus, and let me show you how to change keyboard dictionary on this device. So at first you need to open any area where you can input some text, for example notes, then click on a new one, and here when you're in keypad, just tap on settings icon, go to languages and types, tap on manage input languages, and now pick the language that you would like to apply. So for example, let me pick Arabic. Let's switch off English, then let's go back, and as you can see, it has been already applied. Now you can smoothly write in Arabic. So this is it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.